Audio Jungle.
So crazy crypto lover friends, here is crazy crypto here again with a best project. With you friends, we are talking about the next big project where you can earn a lot of money. Friends, today project is a token project where we will tell you each and everything about the project. Before starting our video, friends, we request to all newcomers to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that the videos like this always reach to you friends. Let's go to the project. The project name is babywfi.com and it's a best blockchain project, and you can see the tokenomics and roadmap. Also we will tell you partners and the white paper we will read. So friends, baby WLFI, your gateway to liberated and the financial future. You can see the why baby WLFI discover baby WFL, the latest innovation from world's liberty, financial gambling and also secure economics with a strong focus on the community engagement. Baby WFI offers a pathway to financial freedom and the growth. Experience a new standards, safety and the transparency while joining the thriving ecosystem. After that, you see the decline dedicated to your financial success. So friends, it's a best and big project. In future hopefully we will get a best profit from it. After that, you can see the CA of the project. Here is the contract address and you can see the white paper. We will read the white paper and tell you each and everything about the project. If you will scroll down to the website, you can see the total supply of the baby WLFI and it's the best total supply. After that, pre-sale liquidity 100% and taxes 5% marketing and buy and sell. You can see the baby WFI to have features the safe tokenomics, and the baby WLFI employs a well-structured and tokenomics models designed to ensure stability and the sustainability by improving the mechanisms such as liquidity locking and also the transactions and taxes and also renewable. Baby WFI aims to protect investors and they enhance long-term value. So friends, you can see the all each and everything about the project here in the website, and you can consider how it's a best project, community engagements, and after that we provide strong, active and community. Baby WLFI foster engagement through regular updates and communicate security, and also its security is very tough, and you can see the security is a top priority with baby WFI, and your token is built on the secure blockchain, the BSC infrastructures and with comprehensive building process. After that, you can see the freedom and growth also, and if we talk about the its phases, and first phase you can see the establishing the website, and after the social channels and the content to analyze the market, white paper development. Also we tell you the best wallpaper here, and you can see the wallpaper ingredient. The baby WLFI token wallpaper introduce a new concept and financial freedom, emphasis security, community sports and the transparency with no token massive active community. So you can see the contract address of the project here and each and everything about the project here, and you can see the vision to become a globally trusted and the trusted and cryptocurrency that empowers the individuals with financial freedom through a secure, decentralized, and community-driven system. So, friend, after that you can see the do not miss the chance our mission, and you can see our mission. It's a fair and innovation, financial platform. After that you can see more about the project and the its phases and everything. As I have tell you about the this. After the third phase, you can see the initializing marketing campaigns and the applying for the decentralized exchanges developments and the launch baby WLFI tokens and own ecosystem DApp etc. And after that you can see the phase 4, initializing the marketing campaigns and the focusing on the expanding baby WFI tokens and establishing the localized, communicized, and the local language specific etc. After see that you can see the partners of the project, friend, is it's a Pixel and DexViews and DexTools and after PancakeSwap and CoinGecko etc. All the partners are very strong and the project is also very strong. So friends, if you want to invest in best project, the project is here and its name is Baby WFI. So friends, if you like our video, please share with your friends. After that, in last we always tell you we are not the financial advisors. If you like to invest in you, please do your own research. Thank you very much, and we will see you again in next video.